Welcome back. It's our special lecture on Indian National Congress. Look, Indian National Congress is very important for your UPSC preparation and other various exams. When the Indian National Congress has been formed, from that time till independence, they played very crucial role in gaining independence for our country. Very great and prominent and dominant leaders were there during that period. Even after independence, that making of the India process was completed due to the great leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel, then Lal Bahadur Shastri. After that, East Pakistan has been and re-encountered, and it was formed like Bangladesh when there was a very great political leader called Indira Gandhi. After that, Rajiv Gandhi played an important role. Then PV Narasimha Rao. After that, Sardar Manmohan Singh or Dr. Manmohan Singh. All were a great leader for the Indian National Congress. So that is a political party which is right now not capable to be uh, the very dominant party in our country. But yes, this party was very strong at that particular period, and that party was a party which has created that India what we are seeing today. So let's start our lecture. Indian National Congress. It was established in 1885. Prior to that, there were many organizations like Landholder Society, 1837 British Indian Society, 1843 British Indian Association, 1851 Native Association, 1852 and Bombay Association, 1852. The credit of establishing such an association abroad goes to Nadabhai Naroji. In 1866, he set up East India Association in London. He is considered as the grand old man of India. He made president of Indian National Congress twice. Pune Public Conference was established on 2nd April 1870. Prominent members of that was Ganesh Vasudev Joshi, S.S. Sathe, S.H. Chepolkar, Mahadev Govind Ranade. In the Kolkata also there was an organization, Indian League, which was established on 25th September 1875. Its main member was the editor of Amrit Bazar Patrika, Kumar Ghosh, Sambhu Chandra Mukherjee, Kali Mohan Das, Jogesh Chandra Dutt. On 26 July 1876, another organization called Indian Association was established in Bengal. The prominent leader was Anand Mohan Bose, Surendranath Banerjee. This association majority consisted of the English educated middle class Indians. The Mahajan Sabha was established in Madras on 16th May 1884. Its leader was P. Rangaya Naidu, V. Raghavachari and Anand Charlu. In December 1883, 200 representatives attended Indian National Conference of Indian Association in Kolkata. Second conference was about to held in Kolkata on 25th December 1885. These were main step in the direction of founding a political organization. On 1st March 1883, in an open letter, Hume appealed to students of Kolkata University to set up an organization in India. At the beginning of 1884, he himself started talking such name Antarrang Mandal and Hamari Party. In 1885, he spoke his own party, Indian National Union. In December, same party came to be known as Indian National Congress. According to some scholars, it is quite possible that it was the Ripon who advised him to form an organization for educated Indians. Therefore, some scholars consider it as the manifestation of national consciousness. The first president was W.C. Banerjee. The main purpose was to increase the feeling of camaraderie among the active workers spread out in the different part of our country. It instilled feelings of national unity and removed disparities in the name of caste, religion and region, to focus the attention of Indian educated class on the socio-political problem that might arise in the future, to decide on the policy of national upliftment for the next year. Main objectives or the aims: promotion of friendship amongst countrymen, develop the consolidation of the feeling of national unity irrespective of race, caste, religion and province, formulation of popular demand and presentations before the government through petition, training and the organization of public opinion, consolidation of sentiments of national unity, recording of the opinion of educated class on pressing problems. After that, beta, laying down the lines for the future course of action in the public interest. Methods of work. Early congressmen have the faith and peaceful constitutional agitation. Look, they just consider that we just formed our organization and we don't have that much of power or the strength that a small organization could survive without the support of Britishers. Thus, they initially founded the way which was very liberal and that cannot go against, which was not against the Britishers also. Thus, they were playing with that. Early congressmen had the faith in the peaceful and the constitutional agitation. Pair petition was the instrument. Congress session lasted only for 3 days. No machinery to carry the work and interval. They believed in the goodness of the British nation and believed that all would be well if British could acquainted with the truth state of affairs of India. Deputation of Indian was sent to inform British public and British Committee INC was found in 1889. The first session of the INC was organized by A.O. Hume. W.C. Banerjee was the president. 72 delegates were there. फिर बढ़ते चले गए with the increase. After that 1886 में 434, then 1887 609, 1888 1200, 1889 and 1900 went up to 20,000, 2000. So they keep on increasing. Some historian thinks Hume purpose of increasing the foundation was the safety valve theory. Dadabhai Naoroji remarked it was the only because of the Britishers' rule they were able to get together. In the first session, Congress moderate asked government to cut military expenses. 12th session of Congress, Mohammad Rahmatullah, Congress President, remarked, more honest and a steady nation does not exist under the sun of that of English nation. The moderate fully believed in the constitutional method to protest. The moderate also felt the government and the people of England did not know the truth conditions that prevailed in India. Therefore, from time to time, they sent literature and a delegation to England to appraise them to the situation. The strongest medium were propaganda of the newspaper, public lectures, and the holding of public annual session. Under the leadership of William Digby, the Congress opened as a branch in England and started publishing a magazine called India. These leaders pointed out the fact of the drain Indian wealth to England and how Indian was being exploited economically. It was the moderate leader like Dadabhai Naoroji, Mahadev Govind Ranade and Ramesh Chandra Dutt who exposed the secret of annual economic drain from India. In 1900, Curzon wrote to the Secretary of State India, it is my firm belief to the Congress is straggling towards the downfall and it may the great desire. The Curzon keep on saying that they want to destroy, they want to see Congress ending during his reign. The history of the international movement onwards seen 3 different phases. Early nationalist extremist phase and the Gandhian era. Socialist based on the same thought phases. During the extremist phase, urban lower middle class whom extremists succeeded politicizing somewhere countries, peasant and the workers came in the movement. During Gandhian phase, capitalists also came to support. Look, there were several methods which they following. Trilamethical methods they suggested carried the factors led to the establishment of INC, deeply moved the political plight of India. They wanted to establish political platform for India, voice of India. The biographer A.O. Hume later humanistic approach of A.O. Hume, they said. Realistic theory elements like Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Chandrapal laid down the theory of safety valve. Lala Lajpat Rai in his Unhappy India experience criticized the policy of British regarding the establishment of INC. Lord Irwin, A.O. Hume, establishment of INC. Conspiracy was there, they said, in the second half 19th century. Growing nationalism, aggression of Indian kept increasing against British policies. Thus think tanks deprived between Indian government, between British government in the Indian public organized known as Indian National Congress. First phase of Indian National moderates beta. Moderates were the first phase. They were very easy. They just foiled pretension. They were very humble with Britishers. To include and elect representative in the provincial legislative council, expand the central legislative council, include more Indians. to curb expenditure of defense, to recruit Indians in the high government posts holding Indian civil services exams in India, to change government economic policies, to promote education among masses, amend discriminatory laws 1878 to Indian possess arms, spread the technical and general education, separation of leadership from executive, grant of self-government of India with the empire colony in Australia. They keep on asking for these basic things during their phase. The methods of moderate described as the constitutional agitation, they confine themselves meeting and resolution, attain politicalized self-government, prolonged stage by stage, not all sudden, certain wide national awakening, people training a part of the political work, creation of common political economic programs was there, providing impetus campaign against medieval sorry sound is just they were aware in the fact that Indian was a nation in making, as the first proper task was to create a social unity and thus making the political look. These theories are important for me, although you can remember that moderates just keep on whining the pedestrians and respectfully saying because they do not want to, and that political organization which just formed. Some moderate leaders are written out there: Surendra Banerjee, R.C. Datta, Badruddin Tayyib, W.C. Banerjee, M.G. Ranade, Madan Mohan Malvi, G. Subramanian, Dadabhai Naroji, Dinsai Vacha, Firuzshah Mehta, Ras Bihari Ghosh, Anand Chalu, T.R. Naidu and G.K. Gokhale. These all were the moderates at that particular time. When you go when you go further, then you will go get extremist phase. Extremist came when moderate was failed to rise anything in the partition of Bengal. They just said that that is the bad rule of things. So Curzon created that Lord Curzon, and it is anything Indians also created resentment and anger against the foreigners. They were the fear among the leaders of moderate. That India, that Westernization nation were trying to create an India in the image of the West. There was the revival of national pride at that time. The extremist leader also influenced by the growth of spiritual nationalism at that time. Delhi Darbar 1903, when there was a famine, lack of people dying, was an eye-opener even through world-inspired extremist leader. Away successfully Italian army in Japan defeated Russia. That was a reason that European can be won. Other national movements like Persia, Egypt and Turkey also motivated the Indian leaders. So there were several reasons in the history which was going on. Methods was very straight. Their goal was Swaraj, autonomy, freedom from British. Control administration was complete with the Indians. Contrast motive demand only to increase the share of Indian administration and military. The extremist leader involved wider section of people in the movement. They were not strict to the constitutional method of protest. Boycotts, strike, burned foreign goods. They believed the confirmation rather than the persuasion, confrontation rather than the persuasion. The Swadeshi movement gathered momentum because of extremist support, establishment of Indian banks, meals factories. They were strong against British imperialistic policies. They took pride on the Indian culture history, and they look ancient sculpture for the inspiration. They believe sacrificing everything including cause of the motherland. They oppose westernization of Indian society. Tilak says Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. They were very vocal in the opposition British rule, unlike moderate who had faith in the British justice. They tried to instill self-respect, patriotism in the people by evoking past heroes like Ashoka, Shivaji, Maharana Pratap and Radhe Lakshmibai. They did not believe in the loyalty of the British crown. Extremist leaders, if you think that Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal, they were the Narvandi Ghosh, Rajnayan Bose and VC. Government attacked extremist leaders. They was very tight for them. Then laws followed by them. They were controlled. Indian newspaper offences, Criminal Law Amendment Act, and Tilak was sentenced. Look, when that was happened, then there were the harsh laws so that extremists can be suppressed and successfully suppressed. Tilak was prisoned. Other revolutionaries was stopped doing the political practices and went underground. Organized Bal Ganga. What the method? They started Ganpati and Shivaji festival, masses for the boycotting westernization, major social reforms. Slogan Swaraj is my birthright was talked publicly. British goods and national education was boycotted. Economy of the country gave the employment various others. The major reforms of education across the countries, establishing national universities. Anushilhan Samiti, then Anubhav Bharat, Bengal partition, Surat split, Gadar party, Home Rule League, Lucknow pact. These were the important timeline during the extremists. If you want to watch Gandhi, then kindly follow any of that YouTube lectures in which we have discussed entire Gandhian phase perfectly. Then you can go with that. Now you can see that how many sessions was there and the place where these sessions were done. Kolkata, Madras, Bombay was on the highest side. So do remember that, screenshot that map and remember that, because several questions has been asked from that. Now first session was in Bombay. W.C. Banerjee, the Hindu newspaper gave information about that. Voice for salt tax, Surendra Banerjee didn't attend first day. Dadabhai Naoroji gave the suggestion of rather than union to give that name as Congress. Second session in Kolkata, first Persian president Dadabhai Naoroji. National Congress and National Conference must together to establish Congress Standing Committee. Darpan organized garden dinner party. Surendra Banerjee was not capable to attend that. After that, third session in Madras. So it was important. Badruddin Tayyibji, first Muslim president, joined Congress. Darpan criticized Congress. First time appealed everyone to join Congress. Social conference was started by Rana Dev. Fourth session, Allahabad, President George Yule, first English president, Lala Lajpat Rai attended INC. Lothar Council was purchased by the King of Darbhanga as there was the lack of place for the meeting. No British official was allowed to attend INC meeting now. Lala Lajpat Rai attended the meeting first time and gave a speech in Hindi. He was titled as Sere Punjab and founded the National India in Punjab National Bank. That is important for Lala Lajpat Rai. Against Sir Syed Ahmad Khan and Shiva Prasad Sitare Hind for Indian National Congress. Fifth session Beda in Mumbai, William Vanderburn, autobiographer of Hume. Women took part in meeting, universal adult franchise, 21 years for voting rights. British Association was established in London and the Indian journals named India. Sixth session Kolkata, Firozshah Mehta. First woman graduate Kadambili Ganguly given the speech and novelist Savarna Kumari took part in that. After that, we had a seventh session in Nagpur, 1891. President Anand Chalu. Congress has added the word nationalism. Thus, National Congress was the name of Indian Congress now. Eighth session Allahabad, W.C. Banerjee planned to organize in England, but due to some reasons it was not capable to do so. Then Lahore session was the ninth session. Dadabhai Naoroji was the president, demanded for civil services exam held in India. 10th in Madras. Alfred Webb was the Irish member of British Parliament. 11th session Pune, President S.C. Banerjee. Bal Gangadhar Tilak banned social conference of M.G. Ranade on the Congress platform. Fifteenth session Lucknow, R.C. Datta demand fixed revenue. 6th Lahore, C.N. Chandrawakar. 17th Kolkata, Dinsai Vacha Industrial Exhibition. 18th Ahmedabad, S.C. Banerjee. After that, beta 19th Madras, President Lal Mohan Ghose. Land revenue have to be fixed. 12th Bombay, Sir Henry Cotton was the president. Fir Banaras 1905, G.K. Gokhale. Opposition leader title was given to the Gokhale, self-rule like UK and Australia have. Lala Lajpat Rai suggested for Satyagraha from INC platform. Twenty-second session Dadabhai Naoroji, Kolkata demanded Swaraj for the first time by INC president. National education policy was accepted. Boycott the Swadeshi was accepted as a tool of movement. 23rd Surat, President Rasbihari Bose. Moderate extremists split. Jinnah attended that meeting as the secretary of Naoroji. Season was ended without any conclusion. Then 24th again Madras President Rasbihari Bose, because that was happened because 1907 session was not completed, new constitution, and finally they removed entire extremists from the INC constitution, and that was just the reversal of this conference. Next session in 1909, Lahore, Madan Mohan Malviya opposed separate electorate for Muslims and decided to present Indian Council Act. 26 Allahabad, Sir William Wedderburn. 26 session Kolkata, Pandit Bishwan Narayana, Rabindranath Tagore's Janman Gan was sang first time from this platform. After that, next session 1912, R.C. Madhulkar, him was considered as the father of nation, father of Indian National Congress. इसके बाद next session 1913, Karachi, Nawab Sayyid Muhammad Bahadur. In this session, one representation team with Jinnah, P.B. Basu, Lala Lajpat Rai sent to England. Madras President Bhupendranath Basu, INC passed resolution of favoring World War First, demanded Swaraj. First session with Governor of Madras, Lord Pentland, attended the session. Next session, Bombay President S.P. Sinha. Bombay Governor James Mastor gave the speech joining extremists of INC. INC should rejoin, that was said, because that was the time of World War First. Then Lord Wellington also took part in this session. Now the local governor will took part in this session. Next session 1916 was there. A.C. Majumdar in Lucknow, moderate extremists joined together. Lucknow Pact, Muslim League and all, that is called the Lucknow Pact. Accepted separate territory of Muslim League. Madan Mohan Malviya opposed for Lucknow Pact. Slogan Tilak given, Swaraj in Bhaibhatra, I shall have it. Then next in Kolkata, Annie Besant, first woman president. Tricolor was flower at that time. After that, 24th session, Delhi, Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, many moderate resigned. Surendra Nath Banerjee also resigned. Focus on Hindi language, only session in which thousands of the patients took part. The special session, it is the first special session. In this session, demand for the fundamental right was made. Sayyid Hasan Imam was the president. After that, 25th session was there, beta. It was in Amritsar. It was after Jallianwala Massacre, then criticized Jallianwala Massacre, support Khilafat movement. Pandit Motilal Nehru was the president. Next, Nagpur, Raghavachari, non-corporation movement idea put forward. Mahatma Gandhi given the leadership to initiate movement. INC constitution was amended. First time discussion on the division on the basis of provinces. Refocus on implementing Hindi as a mode of communication. INC policies for princely states was announced. A special session in Calcutta, President Lala Lajpat Rai, proposal of non-corporation movement. And during that time, do remember Lala Lajpat Rai once said that Congress is the brainchild of Lord Irwin. इसके बाद 1921 Ahmedabad, Haji Jamal Khan, C.R. Das was elected president, but was in jail. Then Haji Jamal Khan was presiding that. In this session, Congress appealed mass for the communal harmony and removal of untouchability. Gaya, President Chittaranjan Das. Swaraj Party was established and All India Trade Union of Congress was established. Place Kakinada, President Muhammad Ali Johar Swarajis were permitted to take part in election. Special session 1923, Delhi, President Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, youngest president. Special session था at the age of 35, Swarajis allows to enter Congress. Cheering of flag Satyagraha of Nagpur. They on the success they were talking, proposal to boycott and on the promotion of Swadeshi. Foreign goods should be boycotted and promotion of Swadeshi. Belgaum, Mohammad Das Karamchandra Gandhi was parting, only session Gandhiji. Vakio Satyagraha, the resolution passed, Muslim League was separated, Gandhi Das Pact, Swarajis was permitted to oppose Governor General Council. 1925, it was in Kanpur, Sarojini Naidu, first Indian woman president. Hindi as a national language, Harsad Mohani, first time. Idea of complete independence, not accepted. Vijay Vishtaranga, accepted as a Jhanda song or the flag song. Guwahati, Srinivas Iyengar, Swarajis and nationalists back together. Khadi became compulsory for congressmen. 43rd session, Madras, M.A. Ansari, Simon Go Back resolution, complete independence as a goal requested by Nehru. In 25 it was not accepted, but 27 it was accepted. After that, in Kolkata, look, these two sessions was same that father and son presided side by side. Kolkata, Motilal Nehru, Nehru report was, and they warned that if it is not accepted, they will start a movement. All India Youth Congress was formed, INC established a foreign department. Next in Lahore, president was Jawaharlal Nehru. Purna Swaraj resolution decided to celebrate independence Day on 26 January 1930, and they celebrated at Ravi River, Lahore, and permitted Gandhi to initiate civil disobedience movement. Democratic Party was formed. After that, 1931, 46th session, Karachi, President Vallabhbhai Patel, Fundamental Right Resolution was passed. It was drafted by Jawaharlal Nehru. National Economic Program, Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed. Tricolor of his spinning was accepted. Gandhi said Gandhi die and Gandhis cannot. Then Delhi, Amrit Ranchhod Das State, Madan Mohan Malviya was elected president. He was in jail, thus he acted as a president. Agla, in 1933, Nalini Sen Gupta, first foreign woman of Indian origin, European but Indian origin, Harijan Sevak Sangh and Harijan Patrika was started. Next session, 1934, place Bombay, President Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Congress Socialist Party was formed. 1936, Agla session, President J.L. Nehru, Congress Parliament Board was established. Meaning of Congress to being socialist. Nehru said, yes, I am socialist, socialist is my meaning. Agla in Fezpur, Bengal, 1937, J.L. Nehru, first session in the village, 30 temporarily agrarian points for the peasants was announced. After that, 2 was for Subhash Chandra Bose. First session was Haripura, in which he was elected as the president. 15 member of National Planning Commission was formed, with president of Planning Commission president was Jawaharlal Nehru. Flag song was accepted. All India Board established. 23rd, next 1939, Tripura session. S.C. Bose, at that time Gandhi also introduced Patabhi Sitaramaiah Raju, who was the candidate of Mahatma Gandhi, but first voting was won by Subhash Chandra Bose, but due to the opposition he was not capable to govern, thus he resigned and Rajendra Prasad appointed in his place and established Subhash Chandra Bose established Forward Bloc. 1940, Ramgarh, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. After that, entire Congress organization was considered illegal. Thus, Quit India movement draft was passed, and now Maulana will be the president for continuously 6 years. After that, 1946, J.B. Kripalani. In exam, it must be asked that who was the president during independence. Then that was J.B. Kripalani. Captain Mohan and Savarkar influenced Congress meeting. And 1947, Kripalani resigned and Dr. Rajendra Prasad became president. Jaipur, Patabhi Sitaramaiah after independence. First session after independence started with Vande Mataram and National Anthem. After independence, there were several presidents: Patabhi Sitaramaiah, Jawaharlal Nehru, U.N. Devar, Indira Gandhi, Neelam Sanjeev Reddy, K. Kamraj, N. Raghavan, Mehula, Jagjeevan Ram, Shankar Dayal Sharma, Devkant, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, Narasimha Rao, Sitaram Kesari, Sonia Gandhi, then Rahul Gandhi, then again Sonia Gandhi, and till date there is only Sonia Gandhi out there. After that, Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, Gulzari Lal Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, P. Narasimha Rao, Manmohan Singh. 7 Prime Minister we are having of Indian National Congress directly. आफ्टर दैट नेशनल पार्टी है, ये जाहिर सी बात है आईएनसी इनके अलायंस हैं. आज करंट डेट में इनके पास 52 सीट्स हैं, 543 सीट्स में, और ये अपोजिशन में बैठते हैं. और इलेक्शंस दे वर नॉट केपेबल टू विन प्रॉपरली, दस इन अ बैड कंडीशंस राइट नाउ. Today's lecture is this much. If you like, then please share, comment. I know I was feeling low. There were some certain reasons and mind was not very active. I was very upset. Sorry for that. But I hope that lecture will support you. If anyhow you think that lecture is not helping and I have to be much more motivated, and definitely I will re-record it. God bless you all. Take care. Bye.